everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of power washing art. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about Sam Ward, also known as the Power Washer Van Gogh. Let's get started. During the COVID-19 lockdowns, Sam Ward, a Texas-based artist, stumbled upon a unique way to create art. It all started when he bought a box of chalk for his kids to decorate their driveway. But before they could start, he had to clean the concrete. What began as a mundane task turned into a creative outlet when Sam started using his power washer to draw shapes on the concrete. Sam's art is ephemeral, meaning it doesn't last forever. He uses the power washer to carve intricate designs into the dirt and grime on concrete surfaces. His works range from simple geometric patterns to detailed portraits and landscapes. The nickname Power Washer Van Gogh is a nod to his unique style and the temporary nature of his art. Sam's work has gained significant attention online and in the media. People are fascinated by his ability to transform ordinary driveways into stunning pieces of art. His story has inspired many to look at everyday tasks in a new light and find creativity in the mundane. Looking ahead, Sam plans to continue exploring the possibilities of power washing art. He's excited to experiment with new techniques and collaborate with other artists. Who knows, maybe we'll see more Power Washer Van Goghs popping up around the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing stories. And remember, art can be found in the most unexpected places. See you next time!